Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to be making the Purple Rain cocktail. This purple cocktail is very easy to make and impressively tasty. And now, whenever I think about purple cocktails, this is my go-to. So, let's get into it. Start by adding ice to a glass. Then, add 1 part vodka, 1 part gin, 2 parts of lime lemon juice mixture, 1 part Blue Curacao, and finally 1 part Grenadine. Lots of ingredients, but it's worth it. Now, the most important part, garnish it with a lime wheel and tweet us a picture of your drink. We always love sharing your creations. And there we have it, the Purple Rain cocktail. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this Boozehive recipe, please like the video, it really helps. Bye!